Hello everyone, welcome back to On Top Indicators. In today's video, I'm going to be back testing the Chaikin Money Flow strategy. Well, I'm going to be testing the Chaikin Money Flow indicator on the Bitcoin 15-minute chart. Now, a lot of these indicators, they come with their preset settings, right? Well, actually, all the indicators come with preset settings, right? In this case, the Chaikin Money Flow comes with a length of 20. Now, here's one thing you guys want to remember is most indicators weren't created to trade Bitcoin, right? They're barely even created to trade Forex. A lot of these indicators were created quite a long time ago. So what we want to do is we want to maximize the use of these indicators. We don't want to disregard them and just think that they're obsolete. What we want to do is we want to figure out the best settings to use for each indicator for whatever instrument and whatever time frame that we're trading in. So in this case, we're trading the Bitcoin chart and we're using 15 minutes. So let's see what happens when we mess around with the settings. Once again, the default settings were 20, and this is what the trading is going to look like if you're using the default settings, right? There's a ton of trades. You're coming in and out. If you look at the strategy, the results, you actually would have been up 8.86% with 320 close trades. So that's a good amount of trades. That's decent data that's telling you that this may ultimately be a winning strategy, although I don't know, I don't love the way this looks. Even though we're in the positive, we were in the negative most of the time that this was being back tested, and we're just barely floating above our break-even point down here. So our break-even is right, this line right here, this dashed line would be 0. So what you're going to want to do is go to TradingView, click up here, type in Chaikin Money Flow, and that'd be this guy right here. You click on that, and it comes up just like this down here. It's a different color now, but it's the same indicator. And what you're going to want to do, get into the settings, and you're going to change that to 8. Okay, 8 is the magic number. Let's go into the strategy. I should have done this. So originally it was 20, right? You're up 8.86%. Our stop loss and take profit is half the ATR of the back testing period, whatever we back tested. So I calculate the ATR, divide that by 2, and that's what I use as a stop loss and take profit. In this case, it's 1.2 for the 15-minute Bitcoin chart. So instead of the default settings, change that 20 to 8, and we have a net profit of 52.61%, which in this case is actually better than the 1-hour chart. It's not always going to continue to be the case, right? So don't use that as a way to trade the 50-minute instead of the 1-hour chart. 52.61%, that's pretty good. I mean, we start out, we get a little bit in profit, and then we're kind of break even for a little bit, and then it just takes off. We're just winning trade after trade. Look, where percent profitable is 54.15%. So that's a pretty small edge. Well, 4% is not a bad edge at all. There's huge casinos in Vegas being built on a 1 to 2% edge, right? So 54.15%, you do that for the rest of the time, you're doing pretty good. Anyways, I digress. So 8, the length 8 is what you want. If you look down here, change this to 8. It's going to be a little bit noisy, but those are the best indicators to use right now. Now, if you're still struggling with trading concepts like where to place your stop loss and how to fully maximize a position once you're inside of it, so how do you know whether you want to get out there or let it run even further? If you're still unsure of what to do or how to do that, then head on over to ontopindicators.com and sign up for the email list there, where I walk you guys through the best indicators and strategies that you could use. It tells you exactly where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profits. So it depends on your strategy, right? But it tells you what to do, so you don't have to worry about it. You could go on about your day and just kind of set the right indicator for your stop losses and take profits. So once again, that's ontopindicators.com. Head on over there. Until next time, goodbye. Today's episode is brought to you by the Ocean Strategy. Ocean is a reliable trading strategy that is custom made to trade the 1-hour Bitcoin chart. I've taken hundreds of complex indicators and boiled them down to this. All you have to do is follow the buy and sell signals on your screen. No guessing and no extra research needed. If you're ready to start seeing results, it's time to start following a proven and dependable strategy. Go to ontopindicators.com/ocean and start successfully trading Bitcoin today.